If you want to see how we're going to turn these ugly orange walls into something a little more elegant, make sure to stick around and watch the video. It is currently 25 below zero with the real feel of -40. That guy doesn't want to start. Which, surprise, diesel car in Minnesota without a block heater not wanting to start. Who'd have thunk? Who'd have thunk? Oh, she is mad. Mad, mad, mad. It is smoky and ticky. I'm pretty sure the gel, or the fuel was gelled. Well, we got her. Heck yeah. So as you guys have probably seen in the videos before, we have these like textured walls. And they're like orange, brown, just ugly, ugly, ugly colored walls. And we haven't done anything with it. But today, that all changes. We're gonna paint all of these orange walls. We have 3 of them. And then the only wall that's white is the wall above the cabinets. But as you guys have probably noticed, we kind of have a thing with dark colors and black. So we're gonna try painting our kitchen matte black and see how that turns out. I think it's gonna go good, but it's only one way to really find out, I suppose. You gonna help me, buddy?
Yeah.
And we're gonna get after this. It's about 15 degrees below zero outside right now without the wind chill. So it's a pretty good day to sit inside and do stuff instead of be outside, because it's kind of impractical to be outside right now. Well, we got everything taped up. All around the windowsills, vents, frames, all that. And I'm gonna just say, like, I hate doing this stuff because it makes me realize how crappy our walls actually are. Like how unsquare everything is, uneven everything is. Like, I forgot there's a random hole in the wall over there with wires coming out of it that our homeowners, or old homeowners, left us. It said with a note taped over it, because like we bought it on an FHA, so there can't be holes in the wall. There's a hole in the wall right there behind that, and there's a hole in the wall there with exposed wires that just says electrical for hood vent. Okay, put it in an electrical box then. Like, it's not hard to buy a single gang and just pop it right in there. That's all you gotta do. But it's just those little things, those little annoying things. But everything's taped up. I'm going to real fast edge everything, cut everything in, and then start rolling paint on. We got all the edging done up. Got it all painted all around. I think it's gonna be really cool. I actually do. I like it. I like it a lot. It's gonna eat a lot of paint though, that is for sure. Like, we're gonna use probably an entire gallon of paint, if not gallon and a half of paint doing this, because yeah, it's real textured, and it used about a quarter gallon of paint just on the trim. Oh, you knocked over the heater? That's okay, buddy. I got it.
Okay. Mommy.
Oh, they knocked over the heater. He needs toilet paper. But yeah, I'm excited to see how this turns out. I think it's going to turn out really cool. I really, really, really like the color so far. So I think it's going to be all right. That is much, much nicer. Yeah. Honey, I like the black kitchen. I can't wait to put everything back once it all dries and see how it really looks. Man, that looks good. Let's see it from this side. Ooh. Yeah, that's so much nicer. So much nicer. Heck yeah. And this whole wall, I thought it was gonna make it super dark. It didn't. It's definitely not any darker than it was before. I am sweating profusely though too. It's nice. I really, really like it. And I figured since I got the paint out, the entryway needs some touching up. So I'm gonna touch up the entryway a little bit, or try. Like, it's tongue and groove paneling, so it is a major pain to try to get all the little seams painted. Like, I don't know, I might just say screw it and rip it all off and put sheetrock up at some point in time, but otherwise paint sprayer. We'll get a paint sprayer and do it that way too. But I'm very, very happy with this. I wish I had a spot in the kitchen I could show you the whole kitchen from the camera without just like spinning it around. Maybe once we get everything put away and like tucked back into the walls, I can stand in one of the corners and show you guys the full finished picture. But the black makes it look so much better in here. It looks, honestly, it looks like kind of elegant. Like a little elegant old farmhouse. Yeah. Yeah, that's way, way nicer. We got a little carried away. I was just gonna like... What? Your Bluey camera?
Yeah.
Go find it. We were just going to do the entryway and tidy that up and clean it all up and everything like that, which we did a little bit. I mean, it looks better. There's still like gaps, but I mean, it's 1,000 times better than it was before in here. Way less crappy paint look. Obviously, the kitchen is phenomenal. Like, try to stand back in a corner here. Brandy's cooking. What are you cooking, honey?
Lemon chicken.
Lemon chicken. Oh gosh. Anyways, kitchen's done. And man, is it nice. I am super digging it. Now that we got everything put back, organized a little bit better. It's nice. Instead of just doing the entryway, like I said I was gonna do, we came into the bathroom and painted the walls that were gloss black. These are now matte black. The ceiling's still gloss black because we wanted to reflect the light good, but it was just too shiny. So we came in and we painted these all gloss black or matte black, and I mean it's way better. It's way, way, way better in here. It looks so much nicer. Hey. But it's like, look at this kitchen. Oh man, I can't get over it. I did not think black was gonna look this good in this kitchen. Good job, honey. This is all Brandy's idea too, and I didn't say no, but there was a little bit of doubt that it was gonna look this good having all three walls. Having all three walls be black, but this turned out really good. I'm happy. I'm very happy with it. But now we're gonna cook dinner and play. So if you guys like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, do all the call to actions. You know what they all are, and we'll see you on the next one.